So again, my advice here is to go ahead and put the screenshot onto a Microsoft document, and that way you could have all of the screenshots on one document. So for example, if we look at the grammar assignment here, there are a total of 4 assignments. You would have 4 screenshots, but only be submitting that one Microsoft document. There are other ways to submit screenshots. You're welcome to do it any way that you like. That's just my advice to simplify the process. Okay, now Flipgrid, you're going to find right here. And again, this gives you enlace de la página. This is the page for Acceso, and then this is the link for Flipgrid. So Flipgrid is, I know a lot of students had questions, what is Flipgrid? It really is just a video version of a discussion board. So I like it because it gives us a chance to kind of put faces to the names in our classes, and it gives us a way to make it a little more personal than having, when we write for a discussion board, sometimes we still feel quite disconnected. So this is a great way for us to practice our Spanish and also, again, just to get to know our classmates. So I'm going to put the password in, and the password is Spanish 212. It's given to you in the assignment. And from here, you can see all of your module topics are here. The default is module 1 because that's where we are. And in this case, we have one student who has already posted and I have replied. So when you're ready to record, you'll hit the green plus sign. And to reply, you just click on one of the videos and then you'll see a little green option to reply. So that's all there is to Flipgrid. It automatically uploads. You do not have to come back to Blackboard and submit anything separately. I will go directly to Flipgrid to get that grade for you and to check your work, okay? Now these top 3, in the module, when it said tarea de acceso, that's really referring to these 3 because all of this work is coming from our website, Acceso, and it is, for the most part, with a few exceptions, it's really just the quizzes that appear. So let's look at Parte 2, Almanaque. So we open this page, and when I go back, it says a entregar, so to turn in. And I have 2 topics, el corrido mexicano, which is a type of music or song in Mexico, and then la lucha libre. So I know that I'm only looking at these 2, and it says here la captura de pantalla, so screenshot of the quiz. Okay, so now I know which 2 I'm looking at. I'm looking at lucha libre and el corrido mexicano. So let's open corrido mexicano. And I can see I have to enable Flash. But once I do that, I can see that based on this passage, it's giving me a few questions. So again, I'm going to answer each one when it comes to the end, when you are happy with the score that you've received, because again, you do not have to give me the first score that you get. You're going to screenshot that. And same thing, my advice, my recommendation is to put all of the screenshots for each part into one Microsoft Word document. Okay, you can save them separately, but my advice is to do it in one large document. So I hope that helps. You can always check your grades. I do try and get your grades in quickly. And so it goes in order. So, where you see the first 5, that's Unit 1 or Module 1. And then when you see the second set of 5, that's Module 2. And it continues from there. And then, of course, your project appears at the bottom. So I hope this has been helpful. I am always available. If you do have questions, please do not hesitate to send me an email, and we can either set up a phone call meeting, we can do a video conference meeting, or we can resolve the issues by email. But I want you to know that I really am here to help, and I'm here to support you throughout the course. And I'm so excited to be learning with you guys this semester.